Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today we'll see how to make a very popular and delicious dessert. It's so easy to make and everyone loves it. So let us see how to make caramel bread pudding. To make this, in a saucepan, here I have taken 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can increase or decrease the quantity of sugar according to your liking, and I have added half liter of milk, 500 ml of milk. Switch on the flame and let us bring the milk and sugar to a boil. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the bread. Here I have taken small slices of bread. I have taken about 6 slices of bread. If you're taking regular slices, you can use 3 to 4 slices. Cut it into small pieces, and when the milk and sugar comes to a boil, switch off the flame and add the bread pieces into it and allow the bread to soak in the milk and sugar mixture, and let the mixture cool down to room temperature. While our milk, sugar and bread mixture cools down, let us prepare the caramel. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Let it caramelize. Adding water will ensure that it doesn't become dark brown very fast. It should be at this color, and pour it into a prepared pan. Here I have taken a 6-inch pan and spread it evenly in the bottom of the pan. I have also greased the pan with butter. Now into a bowl we'll take 3 eggs. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence or any other flavoring of your choice. You can use nutmeg or cardamom along with vanilla essence. Beat it and keep it aside. Now our milk, sugar and bread mixture has cooled down. We'll transfer it into a mixer grinder and blend it well. Take it into a saucepan. Into this add the beaten eggs and mix it well. Now we'll strain it and transfer it into the prepared pan. Cover it using a well-fitting lid or an aluminium foil, and we'll cook it in steam. In a thick bottomed vessel I have taken some water, and we'll cook this for about 35 to 45 minutes. The time taken will depend also on the size of the pan. If it is a smaller pan, it will take more time. After 30 minutes, just insert a knife and see whether it's coming out clean. If the knife is coming out clean, then our pudding is perfectly done. And then cool it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Now I have cooled the pudding and released the sides using a knife. And then we will turn it onto a plate, and our delicious bread pudding is ready. Hope you will try the recipe. It is so easy to make and it's very delicious. Everyone will love it. The pudding has a perfect texture and it's so delicious. Do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for yet another amazing video. Bye.